Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so nothing interrupts setup. First, make sure the Google app is updated and your IQOO Z6 has Wi-Fi or mobile data active. This ensures voice models download. Then open Settings, go to Apps, choose Default Apps, and tap Assist app to select Google. Once done, you're telling the system to route assistant requests to Google. This is essential because without selecting Google, the voice activation steps won't be available. Next, you enable voice match and microphone access so the assistant recognizes your voice. In the Google app, tap More, then Settings and Voice. Choose Voice Match and follow prompts to teach Hey Google by repeating phrases. This trains the model to your voice for accuracy. Make sure you grant microphone permission and allow background access so the assistant can listen while the screen is off. Once completed, the phone will respond hands-free because voice match and mic permissions are active. Finally, verify activation by saying Hey Google naturally and testing a command with the screen locked. If it responds, you're done. If not, retrain the voice match model because noisy training causes misses. Also check microphone access in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google, right arrow Permissions, and test the mic and voice recorder to rule out hardware issues. If problems persist, restart the phone and update Google Play services. Often a simple update or reboot resolves recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.